Hey guys, it's me again, Flo. Yesterday I posted about using a stand mixer to make pounded yam, and someone asked if we can use an ordinary blender, the one we use to turn tomatoes into puree or make smoothies, to make pounded yam. And I tried it and it works. The name of my blender is Ufesa Deluxe. I'll put the exact model on the screen. It has a power rating of 850 watts. I don't know the minimum power rating that a blender needs to make pounded yam, so I would say try it with your own blender. Try a little quantity at first and see if it can make pounded yam. Let's go, let me show you how I did mine. For completeness, I'll show what one needs to do before making the pounded yam in the blender. I have lots more information in the pounded yam with a stand mixer video. The link should pop up on the screen right now. Again, use the middle of the yam because it gives the best pounded yam texture. Peel and cut the yam into medium pieces. Rinse with cool water. Put in a pot and pour water to cover the yams. Cook till the surrounding water is cloudy and slightly soupy, and till you can drive a knife into the yams easily. Put a few yam pieces into your blender. Blend. Add a few more and continue blending. You can see that within a few seconds, it's already whipping it. Let me leave it open so you can see it in action. I did not add any water to this at all. Keep an eye on it and do not leave your blender running for too long. This takes literally seconds, like 5 seconds. Again, serve with any Nigerian soup for fufu meals. So yes, for everyone that asked me about using a blender or any other alternative, I hope this answers your question. Here are some interesting discussions from my pounded yam with a stand mixer video. Jenny Yahaya says that she saw a lady using a blender to make pounded yam. The lady blended the raw yams, then wrapped in foil and cooked it, which is pretty much like cooking moi moi. That's interesting, Jenny. With food, we can arrive at the same destination via different routes. Jenny also uses a food processor to make her pounded yam. Yay! Chibuike, that your stand mixer has definitely been on holiday for too long. Time for it to come out and work harder for its money. Grand Zanadu asked if he or she can use a small mixer like my white one to make pounded yam. That my small mixer is not strong enough for this. It does not have a beater either, so it will not do a good job. And I guess that with this video, your blender question has been answered. Melissa says that they do not call sweet potatoes yams in America. Melissa, I am pretty sure that I have seen several recipes where the American YouTubers were clearly using sweet potatoes, yet they were calling it yam. Unless there's some other tuber crop that looks like sweet potatoes that they call yams. If I find any of those videos, I'll reply your comment with the link. Okay, the next fufu recipe coming up tomorrow is plantain fufu. Watch out for that to see how I make it. Bye bye. See you soon.